Let's imagine that you need to prepare an investment analysis report. Well, with this tool, you can do exactly that in minutes. Let me show you how. Many FP&A teams are struggling with these two problems: too much time wasted on data collection, lack of real-time finance insights, and missing out on competitive intelligence. Deep Research fixes these problems with financial reporting and benchmarking in seconds, market and trend analysis fully automated, and regulatory and compliance research. Let me show you how. Think about Deep Research like the new AI agent from OpenAI that can do work for you independently. You give it a prompt, and ChatGPT will find, analyze, and synthesize hundreds of online sources to create a comprehensive report at the level of a research analyst. It is powered by a version of the upcoming OpenAI Lucid Motors that's optimized for web browsing and data analysis. It's leveraging reasoning to search, interpret, and analyze massive amounts of text, images, and PDFs on the internet, pivoting as needed in reaction to the information that it encounters. This ability to synthesize knowledge is a prerequisite for creating new knowledge. So for this reason, I believe Deep Research marks a significant step toward the broader goal of AGI. In ChatGPT, select Deep Research in the Message Composer and enter your query. Tell ChatGPT what you need, whether it's a competitive analysis or streaming platforms, or a personalized report, or the best finance analysis. You can attach files or spreadsheets and add context to your question. Once it starts running, a sidebar will appear with a summary of the steps taken and source used. Deep Research is also absolutely killing it in all of the AI evaluation frameworks. Now remember that Deep Research, like any other AI, still have some limitations. It unlocks new capabilities, but it is still early. It can sometimes hallucinate facts and responses or make incorrect references. Now, Deep Research in ChatGPT is currently very compute intensive. As for now, it's available for Pro users up to 100 queries per month. Plus and Team users will get access next, followed by Enterprise. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel for more AI in finance content. See you next time.